Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Frank, and here we have a Mercy Gel Care 350 2013. You can look at this. It won't crack. No light is coming on ignition. And here I'm going to show you what you're going to do. So if you're in this condition and it won't crack, this is what you're going to do. You turn on the ignition, then follow me to the bonnet. Come to the fuse box. And look for here is a fuse 7.5. What you're going to do is to take it off. As you take it off, you put it back again. You take it off again, put it back again, and make sure that I have a double click. So that's why it's no work. So let's try it again. Okay, it's going to work again now. Look at this. So that's it, guys. As you can see now. So if you continue to subscribe to my channel, thanks for watching.